Let me do my job, let the jury do theirs.
You can't seriously think that this will just go away.
I'm not the person who decides if someone's guilty or not. When he's acquitted, this firm will be back at the top of its game.
With you leading it.
Someone's got to.
He told you that
He'd had a drink. He's a cocky bastard. He was showing off.
he's admitted his guilt.
Keep your voice down. This case has gone on far too long. We're not backing down now. If we falter, we could lose this.
It's not your decision to make, John. I'm gonna go back in. Tim needs to know about this.
I shouldn't have to remind you you're bound by client confidentiality. You want to get yourself struck off the roll? Go ahead. Enjoy your exile.
Get your hands off me.
Wow, you're a cheerful one. Look at me, I found the only real person on this whole ferry. And he's balls deep in a midlife crisis.
Don't you get tired of all that moving around, though? I mean, haven't you got someone to stay with on a more permanent basis?
I did.
So what happened?
He's gone. He died last week. I mean, I still have to move around a lot when I was with him, but he was good to me. Now he's gone.
It's weird, I was talking to Em the other day, and I just accidentally said when me and Christian...
Christian and I.
Okay.
What? Come on, love, you know I'm a pedant sometimes. You accidentally said...
I just said when Christian and I move in together, like it was something that we were going to do.
So?
I know.
I just don't want to rush.
I know, but it was a weird thing that I said. It's nothing.
My girlfriend Nikki was there waiting for me.
I love the roses. I got the early flight. I can't wait.
Oh, I've missed you so much.
I hadn't seen her for maybe a month or more because I was on the run in France.
What do you think of the room?
Show the country.
Yeah? Have you seen the balcony?
So, yeah, she was important to me.
Hello, Keto.
Hello, you.
Nikki, are you okay? Is it true? What they're saying? Just tell me, is it true? I'm sorry, baby, I'm sorry.
It was heartbreaking that she was now locked up in the prison cell so far from home.
Wait up. Sorry, I'm sorry. I can't do it. It's gonna be okay, okay?